Ever find it tough to stay on top of deadlines or manage everything happening in your life? There's one tool that can make it super easy to organize everything without breaking a sweat. Most calendar apps are standalone, disconnected from where you actually do your work. You end up switching between tools, juggling events, tasks, and notes. It's a hassle, right? That's where Notion Calendar comes in. It brings all your events, tasks, and notes into one seamless system, saving you time and keeping things stress-free. But how does Notion Calendar really make life easier? And how do you set it up perfectly so it works exactly how you need it to? In this guide, we'll walk you through setting up Notion Calendar, show you its best features, and help you boost your productivity in just a few minutes. By the way, before we get started, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you did it already, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss any updates. Here's what makes Notion Calendar so useful. It centralizes all your scheduling needs, allowing you to manage personal and work commitments in one spot. Forget trying to track details in multiple places, it's all right there. It syncs automatically with your Notion databases. If you've got a task with a deadline, it shows up in your calendar without you having to do anything extra. It's fully customizable. Whether you want to set reminders, organize recurring events, or color code your calendar to make things clearer, Notion Calendar adapts to your workflow. It prevents double booking by showing conflicts between events, so you won't accidentally overlap important meetings. It supports team collaboration, whether you're working with people in the same office or across the globe. You can share schedules, plan meetings, and work on projects together from one unified space. But how do you get started? Here's a simple 5-step process to set up the Notion calendar. The first step is getting the right tools in place. The Notion Calendar app is a standalone tool, separate from the standard Notion app, designed specifically for managing your schedule. Use the link in the description to head to the official Notion website and locate the download link for Notion Calendar. Select the version compatible with your operating system, whether it's for Mac or Windows. Follow the prompts to install the app on your device. Unsure about installation or which version is right for you? No problem. The installation wizard guides you every step of the way, ensuring you're set up in minutes. Once installed, open the app and log in using your Notion account credentials. With the app ready, you're now set to move on to customizing your experience. To stay on top of your schedule, enabling notifications is crucial. With Notion Calendar, you'll receive reminders for upcoming events and even see countdowns for tasks about to start. Navigate to the notification settings within the app. Here you can enable reminders for meetings, deadlines, or tasks. Are you worried about notification overload? Notion's customization options let you control exactly which alerts you receive. Focus only on what matters most. Tailor your notifications to fit your needs. Whether it's a gentle nudge before a meeting or a daily summary of tasks, your notifications will ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Imagine having all your events in one place with no more switching between apps. Connecting your external calendars to Notion Calendar makes this a reality. Go to Settings and click Add Calendar Account. Follow the prompts to connect accounts like Google Calendar, ensuring all your events are imported into Notion. Don't want personal and work calendars mixing? Notion allows you to choose which events are displayed. You can toggle visibility for specific calendars, keeping your view clean and focused. With your calendars synced, all your events are centralized in one view, giving you effortless control over your schedule. Linking your calendar to your Notion workspace creates a powerful integration between tasks, notes, and events, making project management seamless. Open the Notion Calendar app and go to Settings. Select the option to Link Workspace, then choose your existing workspace. Concerned about integrating with your current workflow? Once linked, you can assign events to databases like task trackers, content calendars, or meeting logs, bringing everything into alignment. With the integration complete, your workspace and calendar now work hand in hand, ensuring your tasks and events are always in sync. The real magic of Notion Calendar lies in its ability to sync with your Notion databases, turning your calendar into an interactive dashboard. Ensure your databases are properly formatted with start and end times for tasks. If these fields exist, Notion Calendar will automatically pull the data and display it as events. What if your database isn't ready? Adjusting the format takes just a few moments. Adding start and end times ensures a smooth connection. Any changes you make will reflect in the database, creating a dynamic, responsive planning system that keeps everything organized. With these 5 steps complete, you now have a fully functional Notion calendar, integrated with your workspace and tailored to your needs. By combining the power of scheduling, notifications, and database connections, you're ready to manage your time and projects more efficiently than ever. Notion Calendar has a lot to offer, but it's only powerful if you know how to use it. Let's break it down so you can use its key features without any hassle. Notion Calendar gives you different views and shortcuts to help you move around quickly and stay organized. Let's start with the basics. For views, you can switch between daily, weekly, and monthly layouts. The daily view is perfect for focusing on one specific day and its tasks or events. The weekly view helps you plan out the week ahead, while the monthly view is great for checking long-term goals and staying on top of deadlines. Shortcuts make everything faster and easier. Some of the best ones include pressing T to jump straight to today, using J to move forward by a week or month, and K to go back. To share your availability, press S, and you can mark free time on your calendar. If you need to find an upcoming event, just hit N to skip ahead or B to look back at what's already passed. It's easy to feel overwhelmed with so many options at first. A lot is going on and you might not know what to focus on. Start with the basics. Begin by creating simple events and adding notes. Once you're comfortable with that, you can explore more advanced tools like shortcuts or customizing your views. Taking it step by step will help you get familiar with the interface and make your workflow smoother as you go. Ready to level up your Notion calendar skills? Let's dive into some of its best tools to help you get more done and stay organized. Like we talked about earlier, one of the standout features is syncing with external calendars such as Google Calendar. This lets you see all your schedules, work, personal, or anything else in one place. No need to jump between apps or get lost trying to keep track of everything. It's all right there, clear and easy to manage. For teams, Notion Calendar is a game changer. Whether you're in the same office or working remotely, you can share your availability, invite others to events, and even attach links for online meetings like Zoom or Google Meet. You can also adjust the calendar to match time zones, so everyone stays on the same page without any confusion. Another powerful tool is time blocking. This helps you assign specific parts of your day to tasks or projects, making sure nothing gets missed. Once you link your databases, tasks with deadlines or times will automatically show up on your calendar. It's perfect for keeping track of what's next and focusing on what's most important. It's normal to feel a bit overwhelmed with so many features at first, but the best way to stay on track is to take it one step at a time. Start by syncing your external calendars for a full view of your schedule. Once you've got that down, try the team collaboration tools to improve planning with others. Then move on to time blocking to take control of your day. Breaking it down like this makes it easier to master each feature, and before long, you'll notice a big difference in how smoothly everything runs. Even the most powerful tools only work well when used the right way. Here are some practical tips to help you make Notion Calendar as smooth and effective as possible. Connect your Notion databases so tasks with dates and times will automatically show up in your calendar. This makes it easy to block out specific times for important work and stay focused. Next, make it a habit to update your calendar regularly. Check your schedule, add any new events, and make adjustments as needed. Keeping everything updated will help you stay on track and avoid surprises. For faster navigation, take advantage of keyboard shortcuts. Press T to jump back to today's date, J and K to move forward or backward, and S to share your availability instantly. These shortcuts are simple to remember and save a ton of time. If sticking to these tips feels overwhelming at first, don't stress about it. Start with one habit, maybe updating your calendar or using shortcuts, and focus on that. Once it feels natural, move on to the next. Over time, these small changes will add up, making your workflow easier and more productive. Now that you know how Notion Calendar works and how it can make managing your schedule easier, it's time to start using it and see the difference for yourself. We've covered everything you need to get started, from the 5-step setup process to navigating the interface with shortcuts that save time. You've also learned about advanced features like syncing external calendars, working with your team, and using time blocking to stay organized. Finally, we shared tips and best practices to help you make the most out of this tool. Notion Calendar isn't just another app. It's a system that can simplify your workflow and help you stay on top of everything. Taking a little time to set it up and get used to it can really change how you organize your day-to-day life. If you're ready to dive deeper into productivity or project management, check out the link in the description for access to our free community. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tools and strategies. We're here to help you stay on top of your game. Thanks for watching. See you next time.